With the logistic regression for this video, a university wants to predict whether a student will pass or not. That is same prediction. We have 4 features given and we have to predict the result. So in the same way, we'll be going with this z is equals to this equation, and we'll be using the sigmoid function, and we'll be predicting the thing, predicting the target variable. Okay, so neta will be imagining 0.01. These are the weights that we are going to imagine. Assume all of this, like beta naught will be 0, b1 will be 0.1, b2 0.01, b3 0.01. Likewise you can assume anything. These are all assumed values. Okay, we'll be substituting for the first iteration. We'll be assuming. Okay, in the z we'll be getting a z. After getting z, we'll be finding y prediction using that, and then after that we'll be finding the log loss. Log loss is a formula. You just have to use this formula. In this we just have to know y and y prediction. So in the first step itself we have found the y prediction, right? So using y prediction, and y is already given, so just substitute them in this. You can use the natural log here while calculating in the calc. So you can get this log loss function. Okay, after that you got you have to decide whether to update weights or not, right? You have got prediction as 0.9, but actual value is 1. So there is a mismatch. That means error exists. So what do you do is you update the weights. Updating weights is very simple, like b new is equals to b old plus neta into y minus y prediction into x, this one. Okay, the we'll be getting new weights in this way. And same thing you will be doing for the second row, that is second iteration again, but you will be using the new weights. Whatever the new weights that you have got from the first iteration, you will be considering for the second iteration. Same thing, you will be finding z for this next iteration by using the previous new weights, as you can see here, right? 6, 60 and 55 and 22 are the second row. 6, 60, 55 and 22. Okay, here the y value is 0. What the y prediction we got is 0.9. so there is an error again. 0.9 is like not 0, it is nearly 1, so there is an error. So what do we do? Just simply find the log loss and update the weight, because error exists, right? So again update the weights, and for iteration 3 also you have to do the same thing. Like that you can do for iteration 3 and iteration 4. That is it. That is a logistic regression. All we have done was this one. Firstly we have done this z, we have found the z. After that we have done y prediction by using the sigmoid. We have decided the boundary, whether if it is greater than or equal to 0.5, then we have considered it as 1. If it is less than 0.5, then it is 0. Okay, then log loss function was this one. You can find all together if you wanted to. If you wanted to find individually, then it is the formula, as you can see. And this is for the updating of weights.